Welcome back to CMQ Investing. My name is Chris Franco, and I've been experimenting nonstop with OpenAI's custom GPTs. I have a lot of these related to investing anyway that I'll continue to share so long as you guys like them. So if you want that, please make sure to like the video. No pressure, guys, but if you do like the video, it does help me make better content for you. Every now and then I'll come across a news story that makes me nervous about what's going on in the world and subsequently what's going to happen to the stock market. For example, this past week we learned that the owner of Family Dollar is going to close 1,000 stores due to really, well, the economy. As a relatively young person, I don't have the frame of reference that allows me to say, oh, something like this has happened before and everything was okay. I'll never forget something that I read in Warren Buffett's biography several years ago. When he was studying at Columbia, he would spend hours on end in the library reading old newspapers. I would get these papers from 1929. I couldn't get enough of it. I read everything. There's something about history in a newspaper, just seeing a place, the stories, even the ads. It takes you into a different world, and it's like you are really living in that time. And that nugget of gold is what led me to create History Buff AI. I'm going to show you how easy it is to use. Copy the text of some article. I'm going to pop it in here and hit enter. And here's what it does. The closure of 1,000 stores by Dollar Tree reflects a significant shift in the retail landscape, reminiscent of historical patterns and retail dynamics. Helpful. This move underscores challenges similar to those faced by retailers in the past.
Love it, buddy.
It's designed to basically give you the most succinct, useful summary of the historical parallels, and then you can dive deeper. Now let's look at my custom options that I created here. The one that I'm most excited about, which is the hypothetical Warren Buffett perspective. Tap F. In any business, the rear view mirror is always clearer than the windshield. The situation with Dollar Tree and Family Dollar is a classic example of the retail industry's challenges and the importance of adaptability and strategic foresight. Let's see if we go into an image based on the response. Sometimes when you have a visual, it helps you remember whatever it is that you learned much better. I'm not gonna lie, that's kind of cool. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how I use it on my mobile device. I just take a screenshot of what's above the fold. Then I go back to History Buff AI, upload the attachment, I hit enter, and voila.
Magic, voila.
This is something that I will put a link to in the description for you to try out. I will be iterating on this. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks so much for watching all the way till the end. Here's some videos that YouTube thinks that you, yes you, will like.